All right, we got another package in today. Looks like a car. All right, let's see what it is. Is it called a rocket?
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive rocket. Smart control. And what do we got here? So I believe this is the REMO. Let's turn this right. So this is a stadium car. It's a 3-pin servo. It's easy to upgrade. It's got lights. Decent controller, looks like. Smart control. Four-wheel drive rocket. All right. What's that model number? 1621. That's the one I think we got.
Yeah.
They have a buggy and a truck. Yeah, Remo Hobbies. Remo Hobbies. 1/16 scale, 14 and up. This is not a toy. Well, it is. Good box, right? It's a lot better than the tire one we got last time. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Fake carbon fiber look. What do we got in here? Why don't you try and get that off the box while I look at this? So, what comes in the package? It's like a couple Allen wrenches, about 6 to 9 body clips. Instructions. See a blown on diagram already. That's a good sign. So I'm not sure if these are addendums. It's pretty nice drawings. The last one had 2 pages for the instructions.
They only make these like the hardest material to cut.
Oh, it's all zip ties.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Very cool. It comes with a parts list. My kitty likes the box. Warnings. Lots of documentation. And here's your standard instructions that comes with. Looks like it's for the receiver, so they have separate receiver instructions. Hopefully that means it's a good receiver. Hey, look, they even blow out diagrams of those electronics. Very cool. Something different, that's for sure. All right, let's see what this controller looks like. Kitty is very interested. Too. That's a decent controller. Pretty good size. Got a spare wheel? That's cool. Give you a spare tire. What do we got on here? Hey, they actually put drawings on it. So you got your speed high-low, that's your trim rate. Your steering trim. You got pole reversals. Looks like there's some buttons on the side. I'll do a full review of all this. This is just a first look in an open box. How many batteries does it take? 4? 4 batteries. Okay, so we got the car out. That's cool. That's really cool.
Comes with an extra tire.
Yeah, 1 spare. How are these tires? They're like almost solid. They're really hard. Not a lot of extra cushion, so yeah, it looks very similar to gantry. Best shocks we've seen lately. I like the cage. It's pretty cool. This is a 390 brush. Comes with one battery. It's branded ESCs. Combo deal with lights. But like I said, it is a 3-pin servo. It's just, yeah, not bad at all. Everything's plastic on. Oh, we got metal dog bones. That's cool. That's a good plus. Normally these are all plastic. So I'm looking at this so far. It's a pretty good truck. It's around the same price range as, so here's the one we were looking at. So it's, size-wise, you're about the same size. They're both 116s. This is the truck from Sabati, I think it's called. But yeah, this is our first stadium truck. It's a pretty cool body. With a real tire with a real nut. I'm not sure how well it's going to hold on there very much. I have a feeling that's going to be one of the first things that falls off, because it's just a screw holding it on. There's no bracket or anything. But yeah, we'll get a battery charged up. It's 1500 milliamp. Just a slide. Same battery as Panthers. We got 1100 out of the other one, same manufacturer. Yeah. I don't see an on-off switch. Little warning label underneath. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's your on-off there. So we'll get the battery charged up and we'll see how she rips. Yeah. close-up look. Got your 390 brushless, all in one. We ripped her out here. She did pretty good. It doesn't like the grass though. The other one seemed to do better in the thicker grass. Almost stopped her, but no damage at all. I mean, we were in the gravel, so overall, I'm pretty happy. Used 2 batteries. This one and this is the one that comes with it, 1500. Decent shocks. I think you can oil fill them, but they're bouncy. All in all, real decent truck. Especially for price $50. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Well, I got all 3 out. I wanted to just show you all 3 together. These are all 116s, all in the same price range, all under $70, depending on when they're on sale. This one's the cheapest, right? And normally about $49. Sells fast. You gotta take a look at it. It's REMO Rocket. Pretty cool. You can see it's a truggy. This one had the toughest time in the grass, but I think that's tires more than anything else. Tires softened up pretty good after being on the concrete. But yeah, this is a gantry. This one's they're about $60, 53 I think I got it for. This one's the most expensive, but it's the most toy grade, so it'll hold up. You can bash it just like these guys. A little bit slower, not a lot. Same motor, all the same specs, you know. Comes with the worst battery. Packaging wise, the gantry and the REMO did much better. This one almost looked like it had a window display. They never put the window in it, which is not a bad thing. I hate those windows. That makes it seem toy, you know. The controllers are all comparable. This one's probably most expensive. The S190 is probably the least expensive. This one even comes with a spare wheel. I'll go in depth on all this stuff on the actual individual review on this. Be coming after this video comes out. So, but yeah, all in all, the choice is, you know, what are you doing with it? This seems more like a track car, like a grass track, than true off-road or a basher. This one's an all-around for young kids, I would say. Spend the extra money so that you don't have to fix it, because these other two, you got more of a chance. This one comes with metal dog bones. These two are plastic, but it has the weaker swing arms. You see, these two have the doubles. So yeah, that's a kind of a side-by-side. I do like the body system on this one best because of the Velcro. That's really nice. I dig that than 4 freaking pins that you lose half of them. That's the biggest problem with this one, is that you lose pins like crazy. So anyways, yeah, that's all of them. Hope you liked. See you when I see you. Peace.